Hey, you. Take a second. You don't need to leave where you are. You don't need to change anything around you. Just pause. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Again, inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop just a little. One last time, inhale through the nose. Longest exhale through the mouth. Right now, just notice your feet. Wherever you are, feel them pressing into the ground. Even in the middle of everything, you're supported. Take another breath in. And as you exhale, let some of that noise around you soften. Just a little. You don't have to shut it out. You just don't have to hold on to it. Now I invite you to bring your attention to your body. Go inward. Not to your thoughts, not on what's next, just your body, your container, your breath, your presence. Just notice. No need to judge. If things feel overwhelming, that's okay. You don't have to solve it all. Just come back to this. One breath, one moment, one step at a time. Inhale. Exhale. You're letting your body reset. Letting your mind catch up. You're allowed to take this moment. Even here, in the middle of chaos, especially here. This moment helps you move forward with ease, helps you move forward as you should. Take one more slow breath in, and when you're ready, open your eyes and step back in. Just a little bit more grounded than you were before. Take care of you. Thank you for taking a moment.